Imagine a diet that not only tastes good, but is also good for you. Welcome to the world of the Mediterranean diet. This diet, as its name suggests, originates from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It's a way of eating that focuses on the traditional foods and drinks of the people living in this region. Picture a colorful spread of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and a variety of healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is not just about food, but it's also about enjoying meals with family and friends, savoring each flavor, each meal, each moment. This diet is more than a diet. It's a lifestyle that emphasizes physical activity and sharing meals with others. It's a celebration of food's flavor and diversity, of its ability to nourish and heal. So ready to embark on this flavorful journey to health? Let's dive deeper into the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a meal plan. It's a lifestyle that promotes long-term health. It's a way of eating that's based on the traditional foods and drinks of the countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. But what exactly does it involve? Let's dive in. At the heart of the Mediterranean diet are fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These are the staples, consumed in abundance, providing a rich array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Picture a rainbow of fresh seasonal produce on your plate, from vibrant red tomatoes and deep green spinach, to sunny yellow peppers and plump blueberries. Imagine whole grains like barley, oats, and brown rice, adding a hearty, satisfying base to your meals. Next up, we have legumes, another key component. These include lentils, chickpeas, and various types of beans. Not only are they a great source of protein and fiber, but they also play a vital role in maintaining a healthy gut. Now let's talk about fats. In the Mediterranean diet, the primary source of fat is olive oil, known for its heart-healthy properties. It's used generously in cooking, in dressings, and even drizzled over bread. The diet also includes moderate amounts of nuts and seeds, providing beneficial fats and a satisfying crunch. When it comes to protein, the focus is on lean sources, with fish and poultry favored over red meats. Fish, particularly fatty types like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Eggs and dairy products, such as cheese and yogurt, are also consumed but in moderation. Lastly, let's not forget about physical activity. The Mediterranean lifestyle is not just about what you eat, but also about staying active. This could be a leisurely walk after dinner, a morning jog, or a vigorous game of soccer on the weekend. In essence, the Mediterranean diet is about enjoying wholesome foods and staying active. It's about savoring the flavors of fresh, natural ingredients, prepared simply and deliciously. It's about balance and enjoyment, not deprivation. And that's a lifestyle we can all get behind. Now, you may be wondering, what does a day on the Mediterranean diet look like? Well, let's dive right into it. Imagine waking up to a breakfast of whole grain toast, topped with avocado and a sprinkle of olive oil. Pair that with a side of fresh berries and perhaps a dollop of Greek yogurt. This meal is not only delicious but also packed with fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Moving on to lunch, how about a vibrant Greek salad with a rainbow of fresh vegetables, feta cheese, and olives? Add a portion of grilled chicken for protein. A meal like this is a perfect example of the Mediterranean diet's emphasis on plant-based foods and lean proteins. As the day winds down, dinner could be a heartwarming dish of grilled fish served with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables. This meal showcases the diet's focus on seafood and whole grains. Don't forget a drizzle of olive oil for that quintessential Mediterranean touch. And for those snack attacks in between, reach for a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit. The Mediterranean diet encourages healthy snacking, as long as it's balanced and nutritious. Remember, the beauty of the Mediterranean diet lies in its flexibility. It's less about strict rules and more about enjoying a variety of wholesome foods that nourish the body and satiate the palate. As you can see, a day on the Mediterranean diet is a feast of flavors and nutrients. There you have it, a brief yet impactful overview of the Mediterranean diet. This nutrition-packed, heart-loving diet isn't just a fad, it's a sustainable lifestyle that promotes weight loss and overall well-being. It's about enjoying the abundance of Earth's bounty in a balanced, flavorful way. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about healthy eating, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your health journey is just a click away.